Hey, what's up y'all? It's Will Love bringing you another video. Today I have another FSD Beta video for you, but before that, I'm starting my first ever giveaway for this channel. I'll be giving away 3 prizes to 3 lucky winners. The prizes are a model of a red official Tesla die-cast 1/18th scale Roadster, a plaid mug, and an on-the-road vessel. All you have to do to enter the contest is make sure you're subscribed to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment on what you thought about the video. I'll be choosing a winner from the comments on January 14th. Good luck. Now let's get to testing. So we're approaching the roundabout now. No cars to the left. I like the speed we're taking this. Very smooth one here. I'm going to slow the car down a bit through this parking lot. Now this is a weird blinker. We're a stop sign and more than 100 feet from the roundabout. Came to a complete stop here. Took that one really cautiously. Proceeding through the light now. Good turn. Now we need to move over 2 lanes. Wow, that was extreme. Jumped 2 lanes in that sharp lane change. Nice right turn here. But that previous maneuver wouldn't have needed to be done if the car changed into the right lane from the get-go. That was a stupid turn when I think back on it. Anyways, let's continue on the turnpike. So right now we're transitioning from FSD to standard highway autopilot. From now on, I'll have to verify the turn signals for all lane changes on the highway. Here we go. I've taken this route before and I had some issues before. That was a good lane choice there. Handled that toll booth perfectly, and that was a great merge. Not sure why we got the error sound there, and it didn't display an error, that's kind of odd. That was another good lane choice. So we're coming up on a right on red light here. Let's see how we do. Coming to a complete stop. Check this turnout. I'm going to give it a little juice here. We're going too slow through this one. We're coming up on a roundabout here. I do get a bit nervous when I get to these and someone is behind me. I'm probably gonna have to assist here. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a little help. So right now, I feel like the issues I have with FSD come from roundabouts 90% of the time. Either being too slow or just indecisive. Now this one is clear as day. Okay, that was nice. Nice. Perfect. I guess I gotta talk a little trash and Friday starts to act right. Friday is the name of my car. Last time I took this left, it was really wide. Almost went to the grass. That was a nice turn. Now, I am almost to my destination, but I want to thank you all for sticking with me on this one. All right, peace.